In primetime news this evening, big payday. Members of the political directorate get hike in salary. Send them home. Political commentators say underperforming ministers must be booted from the cabinet. And mixed fortunes for St. Elizabeth residents months after losing their homes to fire.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, this evening we're talking about technology. Stakeholders are questioning the impact of artificial intelligence on the BPO sector. That and more in the Business Day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we'll go to Spencer. He'll give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer?
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, the defending champions have a slender advantage after the first leg of their JPL quarterfinal. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
And Romaine is standing by with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks so much, Janella. Now, for the rest of this week, we are expecting scattered showers and thunderstorms across most places in the afternoons, with partly cloudy skies in the mornings. Weak winds are also expected, no warnings in effect. I'll give you the details in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary on E-Prime in this package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what's your reaction to the salary hike given to members of the political directorate?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.